This is called Supreme. This is the way you, whether it's a cantaloupe, a watermelon, or a grapefruit, start with that end, square off the other end. Now it sits just like that. Now you just start with your knife and you go around the outside because you want to remove this white pithy part right here. That's bitter. Whether it's a grapefruit, lemon, orange, don't care. And we're just going to go through and do the total outside. And of course, it helps if you have a sharp knife. So think of this, if this was a cantaloupe, same deal, except you cut it in half, scoop out the seeds, then chop it up, as opposed to quartering it and having to deal with it. To get the sections out, take a knife, thusly, and then of course, save the juice.